Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever thought about tackling your own EV repairs? I mean, those repair bills can be astronomical. We're talking thousands of dollars for what sometimes feels like a simple fix. But what if I told you there are secret tricks, DIY techniques to potentially save yourself a fortune? That's what we're diving into today, DIY EV repair, saving thousands, one wrench at a time. Now, before we get started, I need to be upfront. While I'm passionate about DIY and EVs, I have to admit, recent specific information on this topic is surprisingly scarce. My research didn't unearth a treasure trove of readily available, up-to-the-minute data. We're going to rely on general knowledge, common sense, and a healthy dose of caution. This isn't a replacement for professional training, folks. Safety first? So, where do we even begin? Electric vehicles, while technologically advanced, are fundamentally made up of components you might already be familiar with from working on gas-powered cars. You've got your electrical systems, of course, that's the big difference and where things can get tricky. But you also have things like brakes, suspension, and even tires, parts that operate largely the same way regardless of the power source. Let's start with the basics. One area where DIY savings are definitely possible is preventative maintenance. Think regular checks of your battery pack's connections. Corrosion is a silent killer in any electrical system, and AVs are no exception. A little bit of cleaning and tightening can go a long way in preventing bigger, more expensive problems down the line. We're talking about simple things like making sure everything is snug and clean, a basic preventative measure that can save you from a much larger headache later. Now, when it comes to more complex repairs, like dealing with a faulty motor or a damaged battery cell, things get a lot more complicated. This isn't your average spark plug replacement. You're dealing with high voltages, powerful currents, and intricate systems. Here's where it gets crucial to understand your limitations. While some repairs might seem straightforward, the high voltage systems in an EV present unique safety hazards. You're not just dealing with potential shocks, you're dealing with the possibility of serious injury or even death. I'm not trying to scare you, but I'm stressing the importance of understanding your limitations and seeking professional help when necessary. Think about it like this. Would you attempt brain surgery based on a YouTube tutorial? Probably not. Similarly, attempting advanced EV repairs without proper training and safety equipment is a recipe for disaster. This is where online communities and forums can be incredibly helpful, not for replacing professional help, but for connecting with people who have experience. These communities can offer invaluable advice and guidance, but remember, always prioritize safety. Now, let's talk about diagnosing problems. Many modern EVs have sophisticated onboard diagnostic systems. Learning how to interpret these codes can give you a significant head start in pinpointing the issue. Again, online resources can be helpful here, but remember to approach this with caution and always double-check your findings. One surprisingly accessible area for DIY work is the bodywork. While the internal systems are complex, the exterior components are often similar to those on traditional vehicles. Replacing a cracked headlight or fixing a small dent might not save you thousands, but it can definitely save you hundreds compared to going through a dealership. Think of it as a confidence booster before you move on to more challenging repairs. And let's not forget the software side of things. Many EV repairs involve software updates or recalibrations. This is an area where a little bit of research and patience can go a long way. There are countless online resources and forums dedicated to EV software, and understanding the basics can help you troubleshoot minor software glitches yourself. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground. Let's shift gears to a crucial part of this video, how you can support this channel. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. It's like joining a community of fellow EV enthusiasts, all working together to learn and grow. In short, DIY EV repair can be a rewarding experience, potentially saving you a significant amount of money. But it's absolutely crucial to approach it with caution, respect for the technology, and a clear understanding of your own limitations. Remember, safety first. Always prioritize your well-being and don't hesitate to consult a professional when necessary. What's one DIY EV repair you'd like to learn more about? Let me know in the comments below.